All right, you know how we work, folks. 3 contestants, they get a minute to perform, and Sim Rooney will judge, and whoever she decides is the winner will take us out. Fancy Bling
I'm the
is
only
brought
judge
a dancer.
today? No pressure.
So it's Fancy Bling and T-Bone.
Emerge! Gravelites, Vanish Town, RCH family, T-Bone, upscale. Enough you them on the bus, for me hungry, me link him. Enough you them on the bus, for me hungry, me link him, link him. Enough you team bossing out the bread and here, Aki chicken see me nah no money, me know him for sabaki. See it go on too rich, saltfish too tacky, and poke up star for Rastaman fi Maki. How say that no movie, cause them shell fi me nothing, when I fish them sell out, cause with scissors them a trim. One granate in a soup, so them rope in him tie, kick off back up and say I want a Jimmy try. Enough you them on the bus, for me hungry me link him, me know say him nah go cuss. Enough you them on the bus, for me hungry me link him. Them say call tin mackerel make him start the party, cause kidney and tripe no really smell too hard, deliver him now.
Yep, time up. Time up. Fancy Bling and T-Bone.
3.5.
3.5. There you go.
It's okay. No,
man,
it's
you're
okay.
good.
It's okay.
Yeah, man.
No, see, a late night makes this a morning, afternoon, evening, and night. See my lyrics them rhyme? Hear me now. From a year time, evil a blow can't blow out your life. Them take man life, want take your life, can't take your life. From a year time, and a the most high, give thanks for life. Pagan a TikTok with the black line, I pray. They blow out your life, beware of the evil, we blow by night. Make sure you cover by the most high. Innocent life, them take vehicle from a year time. Them could have shot you 69 times. Some get 9 still alive. Some get 1. That same time I can see that the time is getting bloody. A man get a couple shot because in this box skull crack chop flat blood hose. Now stop. Hey, from a year time, evil a blow can't blow out your life. They take man life.
All right, Leon Knight.
Whoa. 3.
Okay. We don't want to have something wrong with your neck.
I wasn't sure where I was going, but eventually I
our
know.
final contestant this morning is Gemini. You're on the track for Gemini.
I want to dedicate it to all mothers, especially my mother. That's why I've never been. You know what thing, Gemini. Hey. My mother never let me down. She take me 2 foot with pants solid ground. My mother never let me down. When my back turned, she turn me right back around. My mother, she ever understand me, ever tell me if you be the best that you can be. She love her boys and she love her girls. Mothers are the greatest gift in this world. Cause my mother never let me down. She take me 2 foot with pants solid ground. My mother never let me down. When my back turned, she turn me right back around. My mother, she ever understand me, ever tell me if you be the best that you can be. She love her boys and she love her girls. Mothers are the greatest gift in this world. Mommy tell me she love me every single night. All when me wrong, she there by my side. Now I say she wouldn't leave out her in this life. Mommy have to live her life. More when she cost me.
All right.
Oh, time up?
Yep, time
I
up.
love that tune.
You like it?
Yes.
Gemini.
Very. Melody, nice. And I like the message. This is tough, no, you know, this is where the people need to come in and break the tie. 4.
4.
Yeah.
All right. So according to Sim Simmer, Gemini is the winner, and Gemini will take us out.